Hello everyone. In today's lesson we're going to talk about the position of adjectives. So let's begin. So there are two types of adjectives. We're going to begin with limiting adjectives. And limiting adjectives are all those that have to do with numerals, possessives, for example, me, nuestro, etc. They are also indefinite articles, such as, for instance, un, una, unos, etc. And demonstrative adjectives as well. So, for example, este perro, estos perros, esta, or estas. In general, limiting adjectives go before the noun. For example, esta casa es hermosa. So, esta is my demonstrative adjective and it goes before the noun. Let's take a look at another example. Hay tres perros grandes. So in this case, tres is my numeral, so it goes before perros. Now let's take a look at our second type of adjectives, which are called descriptive adjectives. And these are all the ones that have to do with size, color, shape, nationality, or simply everything that describes the noun in terms of qualities or characteristics. In general, descriptive adjectives go after the noun. So let's take a look at an example. Julia es una mujer inquieta. Notice that una is my limiting adjective and goes before mujer, but inquieta is my descriptive adjective and goes after mujer. Now let's take a look at another example. Estos son tus cuatro amigos rebeldes. So notice that in this case we have two limiting adjectives. The first one, tus, is a possessive. The second one is a number. And then we have the descriptive adjective, rebeldes. So basically, the order and position of the adjectives remains regardless of the number of adjectives in a sentence. So now we're going to take a look at the following adjectives. Bueno, malo, primero, tercero, uno, alguno, ninguno. When this adjective goes before the noun, then there is a spelling change. For example, if I want to say good boy, then the O drops and I should write buen chico. But if the noun got first and then the adjective, then good boy becomes chico bueno. So now let's take a look at the last series of adjectives that have a spelling change. So in Spanish, the equivalent of the word anyone or anything is cualquiera. When cualquiera goes before the noun, so for instance, any boy, then notice that there is a spelling change. The A drops. Cualquier chico. Or for instance, if I want to say anything, then it would be cualquier cosa. So basically, you drop the A, regardless of the gender of the noun. And that's it for today.